Until today, this 3-month-old Arctic fox pup has had it easy. Fed and protected by his parents, playing with his siblings. But his mother is about to bring her cub's childhood to an abrupt end and drive them into the wilderness. Soon, food will be so thin on the ground that her cub's only chance of avoiding starvation is to split up and face a 6-month-long winter alone. Even so, a young fox has only a 1 in 5 chance of surviving. To find enough to eat on these barren wastes, an Arctic fox may have to travel 60 miles a day, scratching for scraps and scavenging from others. It's a meagre existence, and the worst of the winter is still to come. By midwinter, temperatures drop to minus 50 degrees Celsius, and deep snow makes scavenging nearly impossible. But a faint sound beneath the snow may be this fox's salvation. Lemmings. It's time to become a hunter. But catching what you can't see is not easy. It's hard to judge the leap. And the depth of the snow. Too deep, and you get stuck. Too shallow, and it can be rather painful. It's going to take time, but mastering lemming hunting is vital if a young fox is to make it through the winter. At last, this fox is on his way. But if he is to survive until spring, he'll need to make a catch like this every couple of days. Adolescence for an Arctic fox is almost always a solitary journey. But many creatures simply cannot make it on their own.